Want to crop and scale your videos like a pro? I'll share a secret trick that will save you tons of time in Premiere Pro 2025. Let's dive in. When you click on a video clip in the timeline, the transform and crop parameters will appear in the properties panel. If you don't see the properties panel, click on the window tab and go to properties. In the transform section, we're going to head over to the scale property. Hover over the blue number value for scale, and if you click and drag it to the right, it will increase the scale of your video. And if you click and drag it to the left, it will decrease the scale of your video. If you click on the direct manipulation icon and click on transform, you will be able to manually scale down your video and move the position of your video in the program monitor. If you want to reset the scale and position for your video, just click on the reset button and click on fit, which is short for fit to frame. To learn more about fit to frame, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. To crop your video, go to the crop section, and in this section, you'll be able to crop your video from the left, top, right, and bottom. If you click on the direct manipulation icon and click on crop, you will now be able to manually crop your video within the program monitor as well. If you want to add edge feather, which will soften the edges of your video, press Shift 7 to open the effects panel and type in crop, and drag and drop the crop effect to your clip in the timeline. Then press Shift 5 to open the effect controls window and go to the crop section and go to edge feather and adjust the edge feather to your choosing. As you can see, it doesn't fully work for us because the effects version of the crop is not currently matched up with the crop settings we did in the properties panel. To fix this, go to the direct manipulation button and click on the drop down here and make sure effects cropped is selected. Then adjust the effects crop settings to your crop settings we made in the properties panel. Now let's go back and adjust the edge feather. And this is how you crop and scale in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.